I'm Daniel Warren. I am a technical planner, but I'm also into more projects that we do on the side. I deal with some of the funky things that we need to be done so our customers' projects can be done correctly and to the best that we can produce them at. It's a very, very fun toy. This is our new 3D printer. So to maximise productivity by reducing the amount of downtime, we have invested into a system which allows us to make parts and tools. So anytime the machine's down and it's a very simple part, instead of having to wait a day or two for the part to arrive, we can make it ourselves and be up and running. It's very fun to watch, but also very useful. And is much quicker than delivery services, and also isn't as costly and is better for the environment. Don't need any extra waste of packaging.
That is way cooler.
Well, this is PLA, so it's biodegradable, supposedly. That's what they say. So because we've literally just got it up and running, I'm making a scraper. We're just drawing layers. So you get an object and you split it into multiple different lines and you just draw it. And you do one layer of drawing, move up, then do the next layer, and just keep doing that.
See it is so,